Here we go. The International System Units, SI. All systems of weights and measurements, metric and non-metric, are linked through a network of international agreement supporting the International System of Units. The International System is called the SI. Prefixes: multiplier, femto, 10 to the power of minus 5, nano, 10 to the power of minus 9, micro, 10 to the power of minus 6, milli, 10 to the power of minus 3, centi, 10 to the power of minus 2, deca, 10, kilo, 10 to the power of 3, mega, 10 to the power of 6, giga, 10 to the power of 9, tera, 10 to the power of 12. Have a look. These are very important in the next chapters. So study and prepare for the next session. Thank you. Good morning.